Hi, I'm Carolyn and I'm going to share with you today how to make a really super simple Japanese bag from one rectangle of fabric. It's a basic Japanese bag design that a lot of more complicated bags are then based upon, but I'm just going to show you the absolute simplest basic. It's a quick bag. You can make them as for gift giving, you can make them for kids' party treats. I must admit I use mine to carry all my bits about for when I'm teaching. For sewing, I've just got my little bag. Now, it is a Japanese-based design. Often when I'm teaching it to students, I call it my Dick Whittington bag. And I think you can see why, because you get that sort of Dick Whittington. You can imagine it on its little pole over your shoulder. The bag itself is going to be made of one rectangle of fabric. Okay. So the rectangle of fabric can either be a continuous piece of fabric, as is this, or some of the bags here have been made out of a combination of, shall I take the stuffing out of that? You can see there's a separate fabric in the middle here.